Hey everybody, Deal's getting fat and I need to do some running, so I got some Thaplay A1 running shorts, black, and I got the medium size. That's what this says on there, you can see. Let's open these up and check them out and try them on me. So they are pretty lightweight, that's nice. And this is, back you guys up, this is what they look like here. They seem nice and comfortable. They do not have a lining inside, which is kind of good. I like them without the lining. So I'm going to try these on. Let me take off my shoes here and I will be right back. I'm back, and so you can see here, this is how it is. It's got a nice long cord that I just ended up pulling inside of itself. So let's see if we can get that back out. Thankfully it has the little nubs on it, so it makes it easy to feed through. So if it does pull through, you do that. It's got some pockets on there, so that's nice and comfortable. It's got a little bit of reflector stuff, nice and black. It's got the two pockets here, which are good sized pockets, and good stretchy stuff. Seems comfortable to me. They're nice. They're not the shortest of shorts. Usually I wear those ridiculously short ones that are way up there, but these ones here are good. I'm going to say Thaplay. And I like them. These are nice. It looks like it's got a little zipper pouch here too. So I could stick my phone or some cash in there as I go running. It's kind of nice. Very nice. Nice shorts. I like them. So this is what it looks like on me. I'm about 5'10" and ridiculously fat now, about 185 pounds. So you can see, hopefully, I keep wearing these in another month or two, I'll be back down to like 160. So thumbs up. I like them.